Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex traders to follow on Instagram. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger founded Instagram in 2010. Since then, it has quickly risen to become one of the most used social media platforms across the globe, with more than 1 billion users. Instagram is easily accessible, and an account can be opened in just a few hassle-free steps. Basically, anyone with a smart device, internet access, and an email address or phone number can open an account. There are several advantages when using Instagram. As with most social media applications, users can follow people, groups, or businesses that spark their interest. Photos and videos can be shared, liked, and commented on a user's homepage. Stories can also be shared for 24 hours, after which it expires. Private and direct messaging is supported, which is a great opportunity to keep in contact with friends and family at no extra cost. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers to follow on Instagram can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for reliable traders that you can follow that provide helpful insights into strategies, trading, and financial success. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex traders to follow on Instagram. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have The Street. TheStreet.com is founded by a public figure and the face of CNBC's Mad Money show, Jim Cramer. Cramer graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in government from Harvard in 1997. He then started working as a reporter and achieved great success in his career. Soon after, he started investing and started a hedge fund known as Cramer Co. TheStreet.com breaks down information barriers and assists individuals, investors, and organizations to succeed financially with minimum risks. This is done by providing information on market analysis, trading data, financial news, trading styles, and insights into economical changes. TheStreet.com posts interesting facts about market news, remote internships, live charts, and much more. At number 4 on our list is Stephen Hart and The Trading Channel. Stephen Hart, CEO of The Trading Channel, offers sound trading advice to followers. With over 500,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 60,000 followers on Instagram, The Trading Channel is a popular choice for many. It ranks as one of the biggest trading channels on YouTube and offers free beginners courses, advice on indicators and charts, as well as dynamic strategies and how to use them. The Trading Channel provides several IGTV videos on Instagram on how to trade key levels, secrets to making profits, and warnings about scams. At number 3 on our list, we have Samuel Leach and at Samuel Co Trading. Samuel Leach is an entrepreneur and financial guru. He is the author of Formula for Success, a self-help book to assist readers in unlocking potential, analyzing patterns, and uncovering unique hidden talents. He started trading Forex when he was 18 years old, and soon after, he founded Samuel Co Trading in 2012. Samuel Co Trading has reached thousands of customers across more than 60 countries around the world. Leach's personal handle on Instagram at Samuel Leach has over 360,000 followers. He has over 130,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and his popular videos reach millions of people. At Samuel Co Trading, the official account to follow for Forex trading has over 100,000 followers. Here, followers have access to important information such as factors of trading, common mistakes made by beginner traders, popular positions, and much, much more. At number 2 on our list is George Soros. George Soros is a familiar name in the financial community. He is chair of Soros Fund Management LLC and founder of the Open Society Foundations. Soros was born on August 12, 1930, in Hungary. Through the years, he experienced many losses and achieved great success. Today, he is known as a billionaire and philanthropist with a net worth of approximately $8.3 billion. Soros has gone from immigrant to hedge fund manager by rising to managing directors in merchant banks across London, where he eventually got a job. Soros studied at the London School of Economics, where he was first awarded a bachelor's, obtained a master's, and later on a Doctor of Philosophy from the University of London. Soros moved to New York City in 1954. It is here when he started specializing in stocks. And in 1969, he founded Double Eagle, now known as Quantum Fund, and a year later he founded Soros Fund Management. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex traders to follow on Instagram, we have Stanley Druckenmiller. Stanley Druckenmiller is well known in the Forex community for being one of the best in his field. Druckenmiller graduated in 1975 after studying economics and English at Bowdoin College. In 1977, he became a stock analyst at Pittsburgh National Bank, and from there, quickly ascended to head of the equity research group. His very successful history includes establishing Duquesne Capital Management with just $1 million. Being named by Forbes as one of the richest people in America, as well as obtaining a powerful position at Quantum Funds. By following at Stanley.Druckenmiller, potential traders can view regular posts of successes, sound strategies, and good insights. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex traders to follow on Instagram on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. Let us know about some of the traders that you follow, how they have influenced your trading career, and which trader is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.